Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater issue. So let's start. Now the first thing you need to do, go to the Windows search bar and type in NVIDIA. You would see this app displaying right here. If you don't, make sure to download it from the browser. After that, set it up and open it. Now you'll be redirected right here. So go to the left menu and select drivers. After that, you need to select install button in the right. This will pop up, so select express or custom installation. After that, click on continue to initiate the process. Now next, go to the Windows taskbar. You can see this upside arrow right here. Click it. Now look for the launcher that you have the game on. Let's say Steam. If you find it, make sure to right click. After that, select exit Steam. Now wait for a couple of moments. After that, open the launcher. This will open. So what you want to do is go to the top left corner and select the Steam logo. After that, click on check for Steam client updates. That way, if you have an older version, it will display the download button right here, so you need to click it. Otherwise, you have the newest one, so click close. After that, go to library and click on collections. Now search for Metal Gear. I'm going to show you on this game because I don't have it. So once you select Metal Gear, go to this icon, is manage. After that, go to properties. Now go to installed files in the left menu. After that, you need to click verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted file that is responsible for the crashing or the black screen issue will be fixed and recovered without the need to reinstall the game once again. Just wait for the process to finish. For the last method, go to the search and type in device manager. This window will pop up, so open the display adapters right here and make sure to go to your graphics card, which is NVIDIA or AMD. Right click on it. After that, click on update driver. Now select search automatically for drivers. After that, click close. If you still have trouble, go to the Windows icon. After that, make sure to restart the computer. Maybe that will solve the issue. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.